Hey guys, today we will be discussing about a new extension, new Chrome extension. This particular Chrome extension, I have basically, you know, created a new version of this particular Chrome extension. Using this particular Chrome extension, we can basically view the style of any particular element on any web page. Like suppose video is there, we can go and see the style. We can see what color it is, what all RGB we can copy it. We can change it as well. We can go click on here. We can see the text color is green. We can go and go to red or orange. We can do it, apply. We can see that it has been changed, and we can, and this is a great extension for designers and developers. And same way we can do it for the text as well. Like suppose for the, here we can see the text color is black. We can go change it to something else which is red. We can change the background color as well. Like we can go and make it green. After changing, we have to do an apply, and it is green. So it's a great extension. We can inspect anything, which color it is, what it is. We can easily inspect. Also, we can go and inspect. Background is white and whatever, and we can change it as well. So we can change the background to be red. So actually it's a great extension for everyone. It's applicable for all the websites. Earlier it was not working for few websites, but now it is applicable. So guys, please download and install it. The link I will provide in the post itself. Thanks a lot.